Hello everyone, my name is Shweihninzy, and as you can see, I suffer from acne. But you guys, today is the day I am coming at you with my skincare routine. Some of you guys have asked me, what are you doing to help with your skin? Your acne is getting so much better, and I'm here today to finally tell you what is working with my skin. Some of these products were sent to me, but I've been trying them for months, like months. And I wouldn't lie to you guys and tell you something didn't work for me, because I've turned down so many things, tried so many things, stuff that does not work. This skincare routine I've been using for a couple months now, and it is solid and my skin is improving. I was gonna wait for my skin to be completely clear because it is kind of in like a little bit of a rough spot right now, but we're gonna deal. My skin's not gonna be 100% perfect, but it is 10 times better than it used to be. If you guys have followed me on YouTube, you guys would know that I've been suffering from acne for quite a while, but it got really bad in, I believe, November of 2017. And I ended up being on a hormone to help treat my acne, and that hormone ended up breaking me out 10 times more. It kind of, no. And so I was only on that for maybe a couple weeks or something, or maybe even a week. And they told me, stop it, that's not supposed to happen. So that stuff, that hormone was in my system, and it is now finally, I think, worked itself out. But I'm still suffering, but it's getting 100 times better. And the products that I'm going to share with you guys today, because it works for me, it doesn't mean it's going to work for you. Also, I'm filming in front of a window, so if the lighting kind of goes in and out, I apologize. I thought I would do something a little bit different. I'm feeling a little bit more inspired. It's a beautiful day outside. I got my windows open, so if you hear the birds chirping, that is why. So the first thing I do, obviously, is wash my face. You guys, this is the magic product right here. This is the Proactive MD Deep Cleansing Face Wash for acne prone skin. Once I started using this, my skin instantly was better. Like, instantly. I've been trying so many different cleansers. I was using cleansers from the dermatologist. I was using cleansers that used to work for my acne, and this is something I've never tried. I used to be on Proactive back in high school, but this is like the MD, like higher grade version, and I tried this actually because of Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty. This was actually a deal on Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty. This cleanser, I'm not gonna lie, is quite expensive. It's $30 and it's only 6 ounces. And I use quite a hefty amount of this cleanser. I use this morning and night, and I actually wash my face in the shower. I have a lot of back issues due to a really bad car accident that I have, so I can't bend over to wash my face, so I have to shower to wash my face and things like that. So I'll show you guys. So that's what I do. I wash my face with this morning and night. So after I wash my face in the morning, I literally just use moisturizer. So this is the moisturizer that the dermatologist actually recommended or said that I could continue to use. This is the CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion for normal to dry skin. Now, you would say, I'm oily, why would you use a lotion that's for dry skin? Because of all of the other different products that I'm using, it's been drying me out, and so this is light enough to not make me oily, but it's giving me enough moisture to help me throughout the day. So this is the CeraVe. You can pick this up pretty much anywhere, Walmart, Target, all that good jazz. It's got hyaluronic acid in it, which helps to actually retain the moisture in your skin, which is why you're oily. I'm actually a licensed esthetician, so the reason you're oily is because your skin is like, help, I need moisture. It's lacking moisture, so it's overproducing the oil to make up for it being so dry. So hyaluronic acid really helps with that in helping to maintain the moisture. It's hypoallergenic, non-irritating. I've tried a couple other different moisturizers, and this one is the only one that hasn't broken me out. I've gone through several of these, and I really like it. And I put on a little bit of eye cream, and I do this at night as well. This is the Acure Radically Rejuvenating Eye Cream, and I got mine on Amazon. I got mine on Amazon, actually. It's the cheapest there. At Target, it's pretty expensive. It's like $17, but on Amazon, I think it's like $12. So this is great. You can use whatever eye cream you want. I don't think this one is like magically delicious. No, I don't think this one's like anything super special, but this is just the eye cream that I've been using. This is my second bottle of it, so that's the eye cream that I'm using. So for the nighttime, this is where the fun begins. Okay, so after washing my face or before washing my face, depending on what I feel like, that's when I do the masking. That's when we can really take care of those honkers and also prevent ones from coming to the surface. And the mask, that has been helping me so much. I can literally wear this every single day and it will not irritate my skin, but only help my skin. This is the Health and Beauty Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay Mask. BuzzFeed did a video on this, talking about like wearing it every day. They did like a test video, and that's kind of where I was like, maybe I should give that a try. And that was like a while ago that I watched that video. I don't even remember when that was uploaded. So I went ahead and purchased it, and oh my gosh, this thing dries up those huge cysts that I get and also helps to prevent those from coming to the surface. If I feel a cyst on my face, I will put this on and it'll start to go down, or this will just help prevent it coming to a head and just really help. This helps with redness as well. This stuff is amazing. You can get this on Amazon. You can get it at Whole Foods. Pretty much anywhere. I'll link everything that I use down below, so don't worry. And I'll show you guys how I use it. Obviously, you literally don't need very much at all. And what I do to mix it, you can use this with apple cider vinegar or you can use this with water. I tried it with apple cider vinegar and it broke me out. So I was like, oh, that's not good. So I just use this with really warm to hot water, and that really helps to dissolve the clay to mix it. What I use to put it on with is the Sigma Clay Mud Mask brush. Here, this is really, really good. I'll link this down below. This comes in a facial skincare set, which I also am using a little bit, but I'm not incorporating in this video because I don't use it a lot, but this I use all the time. And then I just use a plastic bowl and literally use this to mix it and put it on. I used to use this with my fingers and that is a mess. This is so much better. And this is silicone, so it won't absorb or keep bacteria or anything like that. So that mask is seriously my lifesaver. Look how much I've gone through. And then what I was using at the beginning, I don't use this as much anymore, but this is what I first used towards the beginning of like when my acne was really, really bad. And this helps with the scarring and really, this burns your face. Not gonna lie about that. This is the Banish Pumpkin Enzyme Mask, and this was sent to me from Banish. They also do like that micro needle kind of treatment, which I haven't tried. They said I have too much active acne to use that, but I think it's getting a lot better, so I can start to incorporate that in. This is pumpkin fruit, a bunch of other different things in it. If you don't like pumpkin, I wouldn't recommend this. Natural, vegan, cruelty-free. It looks like pumpkin. It smells pretty good. It looks like baby food, honestly, if you can see that in there. But this stuff burns. It tingles, it burns, but it works to really help to slough all that dead skin off. I don't use this as much anymore. I tried using it recently and it wasn't too good because my skin is so dry, but I've used this a lot towards the beginning when I was oily. After I wash those off, I go into my skincare. I do my skincare at nighttime and not in the morning because these products are so hefty. So these two things right here. A lot of you guys recommended that I use Curology, and that's actually what helped my skin at the very beginning. So here is my Curology, and my dermatologist actually prescribed Adapalene Gel for me. This is a 0.3%, so this is higher than like what you can buy with like Different, I believe, in store. And Different is expensive, so there's this Adapalene. This stuff really helps with the scarring, so I'll switch between both of these. I'll do Adapalene one day, Curology one day. Sometimes I'll go with Curology a couple days. I really just kind of see what my skin needs, and that's how I work with these two products. So I do these at night. And then to really help the skincare soak into my skin, I use this terrifying device. This is the Project E Beauty LED light mask. This thing looks like it's gonna murder you. Here it is right here. They did send this to me and I've been trying it out for a couple months now. I believe, like, yeah, it's been a while. I've been trying this, and I actually used to pay a medical esthetician to get this treatment done. And like I said, I actually used to do LED services on, like, LED light services on my clients, and I 100% believe in the LED lights. This has seven different lights, and this has helped my oil. This has helped my skin so much, it's not even funny. And I can do this anytime I want to. I don't have to pay the 25 bucks for, you know, the 30 minutes going to a salon. I can do this anytime, and I actually 100% believe in this. You should totally invest in this. I believe this is $1.99, a little pricey, but it's a one-time purchase that you are going to use and love. And I'm not just gonna say that. I've tried this thing forever, and I've noticed a huge difference. Like I said, there are 7 different lights, and then here is the box that it comes in. It's this huge box here, and inside comes just a little pamphlet explaining everything, and then also a hyaluronic acid serum. And I have not used this, but it does come with that as well. I use the blue light, which is great for acne and oil production, but the other lights that it comes with are all different here. So you've got the blue, which is help to improve, you know, sensitive skin, help with the oil, the acne. Red is to help with collagen, firm, smooth texture. You've got green to help smooth wrinkle and fine lines. The cyan, which is like a light blue, to help with inflammation. Yellow, to help fade dark spots. Purple, to help with circulation and lymph metabolism. And white to help with relaxing and to have healthier, younger looking skin. Honestly, any of the lights that you use could be beneficial. So I'll have a link for that down below. Like I said, I was sent this, but I wouldn't recommend this if I didn't believe in it. And I 100% believe in LED light therapy. It's amazing. Oh, at the beginning I forgot to mention, when I'm taking off my makeup, I use the Kirkland Daily Facial Tablets. I've used these since high school, and I'm now 27 years old. So these come through if you got a Costco membership. These are amazing. You get a box of them for like $14, and these are so nice and like wet and moist to really help take off the makeup. I don't like the Neutrogena ones. They aren't as like wet, and I don't like those, so I forgot to mention these wipes. So after the light is when I do like the overnight stuff. I 100% believe in like the hydrocolloid dots, the salicylic acid ones, and these are some dark spot dots as well. Thank you to Peace Out for sending these to me. I appreciate it so much. These are micro needling dots, so I'll put these on any scars that I have. So it comes like this, and then the little dots have like tiny little like bumps on them, so it kind of feels, it doesn't hurt at all, but this helps with like any type of scarring. So I'll put those on any of the scars that I have. Hydrocolloid is actually in blister band-aids, so it's to help with like the infection and the pus and everything like that. So I've been using these to help draw like the pus to the surface and really get at those. So this is a pack that I got from Urban Outfitters, but you can get hydrocolloid dots or salicylic dots pretty much anywhere. So I got this in a pack from Urban Outfitters. So it comes with the hydrocolloid band-aids and then the salicylic dots. So this helps with like the pimples and things like that. So I just like, I use the hydrocolloid for like the big cysts, and these for like the tinier ones. So I really, really like these. And if I have a pimple that I really just want to dry out, I use the Mario Badescu drying lotion. I got mine at Ulta as well, and it's got this pink formula and then this clear liquid. I just dip my Q-tip in there, and the drying lotion helps to, you know, dry the surface of the blemish and help to balance out the oil and stuff like that. So I 100% believe in this. I've gone through several bottles of this as well, and this really helps to like dry those suckers out. But that's, I think, my entire skincare routine. Not only do you need to help with your skin on the outside, but the inside as well. I know many of you guys have said you need to change your diet and things like that. I'm actually allergic and highly intolerant to a lot of foods, including gluten and dairy. And I've been gluten and dairy free for like 6+ years. So I don't drink milk or ice cream or anything like that. I'll have it in cheese sometimes, but I always do like, you know, soy milk, almond milk, or coconut milk. Soy you really need to be careful of because of the estrogen in soy. So I always do like almond or coconut milk. And then gluten, yeah, I don't really do. But another thing is your stress and anxiety. As you guys know, I have really bad anxiety and depression. It's actually been really difficult for me, which is why it's taken me so long to film this video. But there's some things that you can do to help. One thing is these little guys here. If you guys have heard of CBD, I definitely would recommend looking into that. CBD is legal. I'm not saying to smoke pot or nothing or smoke weed. That's not what I'm saying. But these were actually sent to me. It's called Not Pot. These are CBD gummies, and these help with your anxiety. And I've gone through a couple bottles of these, and I really recommend. I'll take these like in the morning to help start my day, and it kind of just helps level me out a little bit. I don't think it helps like amazingly, but it definitely helps to like take the edge off a little bit, because there's some days I wake up and I'm super anxious and I just stay in bed. But those kind of help, you know, it's like something I can take and I'll be like, okay, it's gonna be a little bit better. I think that's everything that I use in my skincare. This video is gonna be long, lots of talking. I apologize, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys are able to try out some of these products. Let me know if you do in the comment section. Follow me on Instagram at Shweihninzy. It's been a struggle for me to kind of upload on there, so you can follow me if you want to. But yeah, I just feel like, you know, on social media you have to look a certain way, your pictures have to be cool, and that's not what it is at all. I used to just upload because I wanted to have a memory on there, and I need to go back to doing that, just having it being like a public photo album kind of thing. So instead of thinking so hard about what I need to caption it or capture or whatever, I really appreciate all of your support and everything. And I've got some videos in the works coming. Doing this one was a big stress. I felt like I had to, you know, make everything look perfect and everything like that, but it doesn't have to be like that. I'm just telling you guys what I'm using for my skin. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and have an amazing day.